Hello and welcome to English, podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Tom, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. In this podcast, I speak slowly and clearly so you can listen carefully, understand easily, and even repeat after me. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to learn English for a long time, but still feel shy or stuck when speaking? Maybe you understand a lot, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes, or you don't have anyone to practice with. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone, and you are in the right place. In today's episode, we are going to talk about how to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, and even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they need to live in places like London or talk to native speakers every day to become fluent. But that is not true. You don't need a perfect environment. You just need small, smart steps that fit into your daily life. When you practice a little every day, your confidence grows. Your speaking becomes more natural, and slowly English becomes part of your life. So stay with me, keep listening, and get ready to take your first simple step. In the next part, I will show you one powerful technique that can help you start speaking faster and more naturally. One of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking is a technique called shadowing. Shadowing is simple but very effective. You listen to someone speaking English and at the same time, you try to repeat exactly what they say. Not later, not after translating, right away like an echo. You copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, the speed, and even the emotion in the voice. For example, if the speaker says, "How are you doing today?" you immediately repeat, "How are you doing today?" At first, it may feel difficult. Your tongue may move slowly, and your brain may feel confused. That is completely normal. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to train your ears and your mouth to work together naturally. This is why shadowing is so powerful. It helps you stop translating every sentence in your head. Instead, you begin to think and react in English automatically. Even practicing for just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. Your listening improves faster. And most importantly, your speaking starts to sound more natural and confident. You can practice shadowing with podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, or short clips on social media. Choose simple English that you enjoy listening to. Remember, fluency is not only about grammar. It is also about rhythm, sound, and confidence. So start small, practice daily, and don't be afraid to repeat again and again. In the next part, I'll share simple daily habits that can help you practice English naturally every single day. Now let's talk about some simple daily habits that can help you improve your English naturally. The first habit is listening to English every single day. This is one of the most important things you can do. The more English you hear, the more familiar the language becomes to your brain. You can listen to podcasts, music, YouTube videos, interviews, or short stories. And remember, you do not need to understand every word. Many learners stop because they think they must understand 100%. But real progress starts when you keep listening, even when some words are difficult. Just let the sounds enter your mind naturally. You can listen while walking, cleaning your room, cooking, or relaxing. The second habit is shadowing what you hear. After listening to a short sentence, pause the audio and repeat it. Try to copy the speaker's rhythm and pronunciation as closely as possible. This daily practice helps your speaking become smoother and more natural. The third habit is thinking in English. This may sound difficult, but you can start with very small sentences. For example, you can say in your mind, "I am tired," "It's raining," or "I need coffee." These small thoughts train your brain to connect directly with English, without translating from your native language. At first, it may feel slow, but with practice, it becomes easier every day. Remember, fluency is built through small daily actions, not one day of hard study. In the next part, I'll share more powerful techniques to make English a natural part of your everyday life. Most English learners make one big mistake. They study English, but they don't actually use it in real life. They watch lessons, memorize grammar rules, and learn vocabulary lists. But when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because English is not becoming part of their daily routine. So in this part, I want to show you how to bring English into your real life in simple and powerful ways. First, read English aloud every day. Don't just read silently in your head. Use your voice. When you read aloud, you train your pronunciation, your confidence, and your speaking muscles at the same time. Choose a short paragraph, read it slowly, then read it again with more energy and emotion, like an actor in a movie. This helps your English sound more natural and expressive. Second, change your phone settings to English. This sounds small, but it works surprisingly well. Every day you will see common English words again and again. Words like settings, notifications, delete, and update. Your brain starts learning English passively without extra effort. Third, record your voice for 1 minute every day. Talk about your day, your plans, your feelings, or anything around you. At first, you may feel uncomfortable hearing your own voice, but this habit is powerful because it helps you notice your mistakes and improve faster. And here's something important. Stop waiting to become perfect before speaking English. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Confidence grows after repeated action. Every fluent speaker you admire was once a beginner who made mistakes too. So don't focus on being perfect. Focus on speaking a little more every single day. In the next part, I'll share the final secret that helps English become a natural part of who you are.